Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Randall in California. It's RCI-2970N4. Randall got all ready to go for you. All the mods you requested. The RCI-2970N4 upgrade for durability, voltage regulator upgrade, clarifier mods, wideband receive mod, amp on off switch, and the digital echo board install. Your echo board install adjustments back here, as well as your amp on off switch. Let's get right to it. Our power all the way down. 250 watt slug. And we're going to be showing you average power first. Let's show the dead key. You got to set it at a conservative 25 watts all the way down, in case you decide to run this into like a 24 pill or something, or a 3.6 3000. You have full adjustability. And 125 watts all the way up. Let me show you average power swing. Just a hair over 200 bird. Let's go over here to the 1000 watt slug and PEP. A little over 600 PEP. Alright, Randall, it's ready to come to you. We'll get this out to you, as well as the accessories and your new 100 amp 307 built power supply for this unit. Be found on my website, Your Friend Truck, at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.